Una po sa ating mga balita, mas tumingkad pa ang ekonomiya ng bansa matapos makamit ang 7% na GDP growth noong third quarter. Ayon po sa palasyo, patunay lang ito na nanatiling matatag ang ating kalakalan sa kabila po ng mga nagdaang kalamidad. Inihag din ng palasyo na patuloy na isusulong ng Administrasyong Aquino ang reforma para mapanatili po ang tiwala ng mamamayan at makamit ang inclusive growth. Samantala, prioridad po ngayon ng pamahalaan ang agarang pagbibigay ng tulong sa mga kababayan nating nasalanta ng Bagyong Yolanda sa Kabisayan.
Tali po sa inyong lahat. The Philippine economy posted a 7% GDP growth in the third quarter of this year. According to NEDA, this growth rate boosts the 2013 first 9 months growth to 7.4% from 6.7% last year. As noted by reputable financial analysts, the Philippines remains a star performer among countries in Asia. This achievement is proof positive that the country's sound macroeconomic fundamentals provide a solid buffer against downside risks such as natural disasters. Our economic management team is determined to adopt appropriate measures for overcoming the challenges to the economy. The Aquino administration remains firmly committed to the vigorous implementation of reforms that will strengthen public institutions and establish a stable infrastructure for good governance, providing the climate for sustainable and inclusive growth. President Aquino approved in principle the Cabinet's recommendations on critical immediate actions that will be prioritized in the rehabilitation program post-Typhoon Yolanda. As stated yesterday by Secretary Abad in the House hearing on the supplemental budget, the proposed outlay is 38.8 billion pesos. Nearly 80% is for the reconstruction of destroyed or damaged homes and repair of classrooms, hospitals, public markets, and other public facilities such as town halls and government offices. Livelihood assistance for farmers and fishermen has also been prioritized due to the extreme damage to crops and coconut trees and the disruption of fishing activities in the typhoon aftermath. The President is meeting with the Cabinet anew tomorrow afternoon to resume discussions on the rehabilitation and reconstruction plans that will also cover the work that will be done in Bohol, Zamboanga, and Central Luzon,